Should I consider a lowball investor offer? If you've listed your home and the first offer that comes and makes your stomach drop, it's because it's way below asking price. We're James and Katie Boyle with the Boyle Real Estate team.
Maybe it's an investor who wants to flip it or rent it out. Either way, it feels like an insult, right? Before you toss it aside, take a deep breath, because sometimes that lowball offer isn't as bad as it looks. It could actually be the start of a deal worth taking a closer look at.
In the first quarter of 2025, investors bought about 27% of all U.S. home sales, the highest share in at least 5 years. That means more than 1 in 4 homes are going to someone whose main goal is an investment, not to use.
Now, most investor deals are perfectly legitimate, but there are times when sellers lose out because they don't have all the facts. Let's talk about when a low offer might actually make sense and when it's smarter to walk away.
Key point number 1, evaluate the offer, not the emotion. It's easy to take a low offer personally, but don't. Investors buy based on math, profits, repair costs, and future resale value. So yes, they start low. It's not personal, it's business. Before reacting, look at the facts and ask your agent, is it a cash offer? Are there contingencies or inspection periods? How quickly can they close? A low offer that's cash and hassle-free could be a strong deal still. On the flip side, an offer that looks good on paper but drags out through financing and inspections might cost you time and money. So step back, breathe, and reevaluate the offer.
Key point number 2, run the math on your net. A low price doesn't always mean a bad deal. What matters is what you walk away with. Let's say you get a cash offer of $25,000 to $50,000 under asking. Ask your agent for a seller's net sheet breakdown and factor in your remaining mortgage balance, repair concessions, or holding costs. The time you save with a quick closing. Sometimes that lowball offer can actually net you more once you subtract months of mortgage payments, utilities, and stress. Seeing the numbers in black and white gives you clarity. Of course, if your home's in great shape and the market's hot, you can afford to wait. Your agent can tell you if the data supports holding firm or if flexibility might get you to the finish line faster.
Key point number 3, when should you consider an investor offer? If you get an investor offer on your property, don't dismiss it right away, even if the number seems low. A simple counter at just slightly above their initial bid can reveal a lot. It's one of the fastest ways to separate serious buyers from tire kickers. If they respond quickly, adjust terms, or come back with a better number, this is a good sign you're dealing with someone who's actually motivated to buy. The key is to stay in control of the negotiation. A small counter keeps the conversation alive, gives you leverage, and puts you in the driver's seat. Investor deals aren't always the right fit, but you'll never know unless you test their intent.
Should you consider a lowball investor offer? If it fits your goals and timeline, why not consider it? The key is to analyze, calculate, and negotiate instead of reacting based on emotion. If you've received an investor offer and you're unsure whether to take it or to toss it, reach out to us for a free consultation. We can help you review the details, run the numbers, and decide what makes the most sense for you and your situation.
Let's make sure your next move is the right one. And please keep in mind, we often see investor cash offers be the right fit for someone that doesn't want to do anything to the home. You might have a lot of years of items built up in the home that you don't know what to do with or how to move them. Oftentimes, investor cash offers, we can get them to take the house completely as is. You don't have to move one single thing. People often like to take that versus a higher dollar and have to do those items. So if you'd like to discuss any of those options, we have cash investors, and we'd be happy to walk you through the steps to see if it's the right fit for you or not. James and Katie Boyle, the Boyle Real Estate Team, 609-226-0678.